How to make a copy of a project in CapCut. Hello digital friends. Do you have a video to which you have added some effects or edited in a certain way? If you do, and you want to save the current video but also further edit it, the best way is to make a copy of that project. I will show you how to do that. The process is very quick and simple. Open the CapCut application and find the project you want to duplicate, that is, make a copy of. Click on the three dots next to that project. Several options will be displayed in the menu. To make a copy of the project, click on Duplicate. A copy will be made instantly. It will have the same name as the original project with the addition of the word copy. If you want to rename it, click on the three dots and enter a new name for that copy of the project. And that's it. Now you can experiment and try other effects on the copy without fear of affecting your original project. If this video was useful, subscribe to our channel and become part of the digital family.